Welcome to OT Tricks and Tips for Kids, where we're taking OT to the next level. My name is Katina Lottis. Remember, if you don't see your topic, just write in so that I can address it. And please don't forget to subscribe. Now let's take a look at a problem solution video. This tip focuses on hair pulling and what you can do to reduce or block it. This is just one video in a series of strategic videos on hair pulling. So please be sure to check out all the strategies and methods so that you can choose the ones that work best for you. Today's tip focuses on sensory awareness and using that as a mechanism to try to stop or reduce hair pulling. A really interesting trick is to take some perfume or cologne and put it on the wrist hand area. So that way, every time the hand raises up in order to maybe reach for an eyelash, to reach for an area on the brow or on the head, you're getting a scent as a reminder that your hand is up there. So it's a really neat trick, it's an interesting trick, and one that just might work for you. Remember, you can always rotate all the tricks and strategies in this video series, but give this one a try and see if it helps.